Before we render, I just want to show you how you can add more to your scene by adjusting the environment. You can boost the intensity of the look or apply a different image or maybe colorize what you have already. Okay, save your progress first before you hit render. As you can see, multiple view render is an option you can use if you want. Set render quality for the desired value. Nothing wrong with 16-bit PSD, you can keep it, but if you want higher processing of the image you may choose 32-bit, but keep in mind posting online will compress your PNGs or JPGs to 8-bit anyway. Choose render destination then render. Cloud render will let you share a live preview of your Dimension file, it's cool. But I think in the future maybe it would be better as it's still beta. And here are the details of this sharing. Before you render you may go back and change canvas size to standard HD TV 1080 and adjust the scene to fit in the new place. Here's the final result of this render. And the result of the online beta version. As I said, it's not great, but I expect more improvement in the future. That's all for now. Now you're ready to open Dimension and take on the world with your 3D skills. Good luck.